Storage is something which fills up quickly without even your knowledge. And I'm sure if you check your storage right now, the free space left will be very less. And that's common for all. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can efficiently and effectively manage your storage, deleting all the junk files that you don't need anymore. So watch this video till then because it will help you to manage your storage very efficiently and effectively. So hey guys, you're watching Tech Arena. I'm your host Arnav. Let's go. Alright, so the first and foremost thing that you need to do is to check how much storage is consumed by what are the things. And for that, you need to go to your settings and click on storage, which will show you the split of storage being consumed by different things like photos and videos, app data, etc. and etc. So you have to choose a category. For example, here now I'm choosing app data because it's consuming a lot of data in my smartphone, nearly 35 gigs. And after choosing that, it will show the split of each application on how much storage it's being consumed. So first and foremost thing that you need to do is to clear your app data. There are many applications which consume a lot of data without even your knowledge. And the prime example for that is WhatsApp. But WhatsApp is an application that you can't just immediately clear because it might have your chat history, it might have the media and photos and videos. So let's keep that aside. But apart from that, there are some other applications. In my case, you can see Binance is consuming nearly 0.98 GB and Spotify is also consuming a lot of data. Even Spotify also has some data that you might need eventually because there might be some songs that you might have downloaded. But there are other apps which might have consumed your storage without even your knowledge. You might have downloaded a movie on Prime Video which you then forgot to delete. So you have to clear the data of those apps which consume a lot of data in your smartphone. And clearing app data is very important because it can help you to save a ton of storage. The second way to clear data is to download an application called as Google Files Go. Now this is a file manager by Google themselves which has a lot of tools which can delete all the junk files, duplicate pictures, blurry photos, etc. and etc. So after downloading, if you open it up, after which you can see something called as duplicate photos, which will detect the duplicate copies of photos that's already there in your phone, and you can delete all those duplicate copies, keeping the original copy intact. If you can see, my phone has around 6.40 GB of duplicate photos which I can easily delete and save a lot of space. And likewise, you can also delete blurry photos which you can't even use. And not only that, you can also clean junk files using Google's Files Go. It is a very good application and moreover, it's by Google, so it won't have any third-party ads or it won't have any premium thing or something like that. So downloading Google Files Go is a really great solution. Most of the smartphones will have inbuilt Google Files Go, but if it's not there, then you can download it. Or if you have Xiaomi smartphones, the Xiaomi's file manager also has tools like this, so you can use that. Next is cleaning your recycle bin. Now, most of you actually forget to do that because while we clean our photos and videos folder, most of the photos and videos which we delete end up being in the recycle bin. And we might think that, hey, I deleted all the photos and videos that I don't need, but still the storage is not enough for me. That's because most of the photos or videos you might have deleted have not been deleted permanently. Instead, it has been saved in the recycle bin, which is actually consuming a lot of data. So make sure to clean recycle bin soon after you delete all the unwanted photos and videos because most of the photos and videos that you delete by going into the gallery will end up being saved in the recycle bin for the next 30 days, which will consume a lot of data. The last and final tip that I would like to give you in order to save you a lot of storage is to delete all the songs and movies that you have in your smartphone because if you have subscriptions of streaming services like Spotify or Netflix, you don't need to download any movie and keep it because you can stream it online directly if you have good internet access. So downloading movies and songs is a waste of storage. So instead, just stream it online when you need to, or if you wish to download it, just download it, use those songs and delete whenever you get your internet access back because these are some things which consume a heap lot of data which can possibly turn your phone slow. So there you have it. These are some of the ways in which you can manage your storage efficiently and effectively, ending up saving a lot of space that is consumed by unnecessary things. So if this video was useful, share this video with all of your friends and don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it. And also, you know the drill. Just press the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.